What is going on, guys? Attila and Zay back here, and if you don't remember us, I don't blame you because it's been almost 2 years since we last posted a video, but we missed YouTube a lot and we wanted to come back and do something on here. And you guys already know we're a travel channel, but that is not going to work out for us right now. We're not doing a lot of traveling and it would be hard to travel for us, but we did want to come back and make a different type of content, so we're going to let you guys know about it right now.
And yeah, last time we posted a video, we went on a trip to Mexico and I was pregnant with Sienna, and I'm pregnant again with our second baby. It seems to be a pattern around here, but yeah, we just wanted to do more of like a lifestyle, travel, renovation type content, and we hope you guys enjoy it.
So for the foreseeable future, we're going to be focusing on home content, lifestyle content like Zay was saying, and we are going to be doing a lot of stuff regarding house renovations actually. So we decided to film this because we love looking back at our old videos, the travel videos, and I know we're going to love looking back at this as well. So this is what we decided, and we wanted to share with you guys and give you guys some tips. Obviously we're no home renovation professionals, but we wanted to take you guys along for the journey. This first video in the home renovation series or the lifestyle series is going to be basically a tour of our house, just so we can give you guys a baseline of what it looks like right now. We purchased this house about a year ago, a little over a year ago actually, and we haven't done too much to it, but I've got 1,000 different plans, and so does Zay. We have a lot of different plans to do renovations. So this is basically just going to be a walkthrough of our house real quick. We're going to try to make it as short as possible, show you guys everything, what it looks like right now, and then we'll start sharing the plans with you guys in future videos. If you guys don't want to watch this full video, I'm going to put a timestamp over here and you can skip to this time, or I'll leave it in the description as well. And there's going to be a more shorter version with just music of the house tour, kind of quick, so you don't have to watch me talk the whole time if you're not interested in that. But if you want to watch the whole thing, you're more than welcome to. But if you want to skip, you can go ahead and click down in the description, or just skip to this time and you can watch that short part. Alright, so we're going to be starting out with the front of the house. As you guys can tell, it is winter right now, so we're not going to be doing too much of the outdoors. I'm thinking we're going to come back in the spring and show you guys all the outdoors, because there's going to be a lot of landscaping stuff that we want to do, and a lot of outdoor projects as well. But this is the front of the house right here, and there wasn't much done to it since we bought it, except we did repaint the door. It was very like chipped, so we repainted it black, as you guys can tell. And then going inside, this is gonna be the foyer, I guess you call it. I don't know. Foyer. I'm not, English is not my first language, so I'm not sure, but we made this nice collage here from our wedding day. This was all Zay's idea. I think she got it maybe from Pinterest. But yeah, this is gonna be how it looks like. We got a little shoe cabinet over here. And the majority of the house, I think, will have to be repainted, because there's a lot of areas where there's chips and everything. But anyways, we'll worry about that at another time. This door leads to the garage over here. Right now the car is in here, but I'm just going to overlay some shots with without the car in here, because we have massive plans for the garage. At least I know I do. We have a gym being built back there, but I'll overlay some clips so you guys can see what it looks like. But this is going to be very different when we're done with it, basically. Then going upstairs,
Baby gate.
Baby gate for sure, much needed. Here is the living room right here. So we got a little couch over here, you guys can tell. By the way, if you don't want to watch the whole video, you guys can skip forward. I'm going to put like a little montage near the end of the video. But here is the living room, little dining area over here, and then the kitchen. The kitchen is actually where we spend most of our time by far. We're cooking every single night and we're hanging out here basically all day, and there's a ton of projects we do want to do in the kitchen, so you guys will see those. We'll be starting out with the kitchen, probably one of the earlier videos. This is how it looks like. There's a little pantry over here. This will probably be one of the first videos as well, just pantry organization, because Right now it doesn't look too bad, but you can see it's very cluttered. We have the wire racks over here for the shelves, and everything is all over the place a little bit, so that will be one of the first ones to be modified here. Like I said, we're probably not going to be doing too much of the outdoors right now because it is winter, but we'll come back and we'll do another video once all the snow melts and everything like that. But here is what the outdoors looks like over here. I don't want to repeat myself too much, but lots of plans for these areas as well. We spend a lot of time out here in the summertime. There's a pool back there, if you guys can tell or not, but we do spend a lot of time out here and we enjoy it a lot, so we want to make sure it's a nice area, and we do love entertaining, having friends over, so we want to make sure it's as nice as possible. Moving on down this hallway, you guys can see there's a little door over here. This one is more so like an appliance closet. So right here, just appliances or random stuff, and nothing too interesting. Then going forward, you guys can see over here, this is the main bedroom. This is our bedroom. Very plain at the moment. Not much going on. Little dresser over here. There's an ensuite bathroom over here. Pretty small, but it does the job. This is what it looks like. And there's also a little walk-in closet, which is an absolute mess. But I'm gonna just show you guys anyways.
Too much clothes, not enough room.
A lot of clothes. This is something that we might work on as well. I mean, every room really has lots of plans, but we're gonna take it slow and we'll include you guys on everything. But that's basically the master bedroom here, so not too bad. It is pretty plain, so we're gonna try and make it a little bit nicer, and we do have lots of ideas for the master bedroom here as well. All right, moving on. To my left here is the office. This is my office right here. So this is what that looks like. There's two screens here. I'm probably gonna end up getting rid of one of them and making it into one of those gamery offices maybe. We'll see, but it's quite a nice size. There's a little closet over here which is just used for storage, camera equipment, things like that, electronics, hard drives, the usual. We got our best friend over here. This is the robot vacuum. It's much needed with a baby obviously and another on the way.
Yeah.
House gets messy real quick, so it's not easy to keep it clean.
Most used item.
Yep, every day. This door ahead of me is going to be Sienna's room. She's napping at the moment, so I'm not going to be going in that room, but I'll overlay shots of what that looks like after she wakes up. And this is going to be the main bathroom, and you guys can see there's no mirror on the wall right now, and that is because we're starting the renovations off with this bathroom right here. So basically Zay wants to renovate this bathroom desperately because she thinks that it's the main bathroom and she didn't find that it was very aesthetic and people are always using it. So this will be the first project and the first video, the next video after this one that you guys will be seeing. And by the way guys, all these renovations are going to be on a budget because as you know, we started out our channel with budget traveling, and we actually started the channel before we even started traveling, showing you guys how to make money and how to live on a budget and everything like that, like side hustles. So we are going to continue with that theme.
I just want to preface this by saying, when we say renovation, we just want to make it our own, turn it into our own style, our own taste. We know this is a newer build, it looks really nice. Most people probably think there's no work to be done, but we just want to make it our own, that's all.
That is right. So we're gonna keep it moving right now. We're gonna go down to the basement and show you guys, well technically I guess it's not a basement because it is raised ranch, so there are windows, but I do call it a basement. So let's head down there. I promise we're almost done. I think I'm doing pretty good on time over here. We're only at like 8 minutes of the walkthrough, which is good. But this is what you see when you come down to the basement. There is a little bar area with another island here, and this nice little bar. Like I did say, we enjoy entertaining a lot. We have people over very frequently, so we do like this area. And when we were looking at the house, we love this area actually. So we haven't used it a lot, honestly, because we don't hang out here too much, but we will be using it in the future.
It's hard to party with a baby.
It is hard to party with a baby, that's for sure. This door is just storage down here under the stairs, nothing special. Not much will be going on here. Then we have the main area over here with the TV. As you guys can tell, this couch over here is the same exact couch as we had upstairs in the living room, except the orientation of it is different. And we got two of them because we really like them. And by the way, guys, everything here was bought on a budget. These couches and basically 90% of the furniture and every single thing you guys see in our house was bought from Facebook Marketplace. Both couches were bought from Facebook Marketplace. I don't know how we got lucky enough to find it, but I believe this was like a $3,000 couch, Canadian currency. Obviously, we're Canadian. It was $3,000 originally, and we ended up getting it for $1,000. And it was almost brand new, so it's a good deal. You know, we like a good deal. Here, you guys can see there's a fireplace. It is a gas-fired fireplace. Just turn it on. It's really nice in the winter time. Keeps it nice and toasty while we're watching TV.
And this room was my idea and one of my favorite rooms.
This is Sienna's playroom, or we'll just call it the playroom, because once the new baby arrives, it'll also be their playroom. We don't know the gender yet. We're about to find out next week, and we'll keep you guys updated with that as well. But as you guys can see over here, shouts out to Dutch, my coworker, who made this from work for Sienna. A little tag. We're almost done, guys. This is gonna be the last part of the tour right here. So another bathroom. This one, in my opinion, is worse than any of them. It looks very old style. I hate it. And one day, if we get 1 billion views on this YouTube channel, I'm gonna tear out the entire bathroom and make a ultra luxury beautiful bathroom out of it, because it's not too cute in my opinion. And then last, this is the laundry room. Nothing too crazy or exciting, but washer dryer obviously. Little sink over here. This is just a networking closet, I like to call it, with the electrical panel and stuff like that. Then on the other side, we just have all this stuff over here, you know, boiler room, nothing crazy. And over here, we got all the stuff for the bathroom renovation. So we already bought everything. We're actually gonna be starting that really soon. So you guys should see a video about the bathroom renovation soon, but we're looking forward to it.
So excited.
Bye.